back into that Too-Faced. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be starting something new on here. I think I'm gonna start a Disney princess, Disney villain inspired little mini series on here. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get into this Disney inspired Rapunzel look. So I already primed my lids and my face, so I'm just going to dive in, take some tape, and put it on the outer corner. Okay, so starting off, I'm going to take the Too-Faced Best Year Ever palette, and I'm going to pick up this shade right here and put that into the crease, or use this as my transition shade. The next, I'm going to take the BH Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to pick up this shade right here and blend that into as a transition shade as well. Then I'm going to go in with this shade right here and blend this into the crease. And then I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here. Focus it out in the outer corner. And then I'm going to blend it into the crease just a little bit. And then I'm going to take a little bit in the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to do a halo effect. And then connect the two in the crease. Bam. I'm going to take this shade and blend all the colors out. And pick up this shade right here and really focus this color on the outer corner of the eye, just to deepen it up out here. And a little bit in the inner corner. Just really deepen it up out here. And I'm going to take the Maybelline Better Skin Concealer, put a little bit on the back of my hand, and then we're going to carve out the halo. And then I'm going to dig into the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to take this shade right here. Then I'm going to take the brush and just blend it together. Foundation today, I'm going to be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer in the shade Buttermilk. Then I'm going to take a flat brush, spray it a little bit, and blend that foundation in. I'm going to go with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Sand. And I'm only going to put a little bit under here, my forehead, nose, and chin. I'm going to take this little sponge right here, look at this little, and blend it in. Then I'm going to set it with the Wet n Wild contour palette. I'm going to use the lightest shade in here and set it. At the rest of the face, I'm going in with my Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Butter Bronzer in the shade Sun Kissed, just to bring some color back into the face. And for highlight today, I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Illuminating Mineral Veil. And this doesn't say what shade it is, but this is what it looks like. Alright, brows are on, liner is on. Now, moving on. Going back into the BH Cosmetic palette, I'm going to take the pink shade right here and run that underneath my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with this pink shade down here on a smaller brush. Then I'm going to pick up this purple shade right here on a flat brush and put it as close to the lashes. Ooh, ooh. Ooh la la. Then I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill palette, picking up this light shade, and I'm going to use that as the inner corner of my eyes. And just place it in the inner tear ducts. Give it a nice pink little shimmery pop. Sorry I had to switch over to voiceover, guys. I just realized I was running really late, so I had to put some pep in my step. But next, I'm going in with just the Ulta Shiny Lip Gloss. I wanted to keep the lips very, natural. Just put a little bit of sheer gloss on there because the eyes are the star in this show. So, this is it, guys. I really hope you guys like it. I think this is very Rapunzel-inspired look to me. So I hope you guys like this little mini-series that I decided to do here on my channel. But let me stop rambling on. And thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next video. Bye.